Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is KP's Craft and DIY. Today I'm going to show you that how to make lip balm at home. So let's get started. Firstly, I take Vaseline. It is Vasco Care, but you can also use Vaseline. It is petroleum jelly. So now I'm going to melt it, and it takes a few seconds for melting. Then I add coconut oil. I used parachute coconut plus aloe vera oil. Mix it well. And if you're not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe to it and press bell icon and share and also comment and like. Most importantly, like this video. And then I add glycerin in it, and only one drop I add. And last thing, food color. Any color which you have available at your home, and mix it well. And now our lip balm is ready. I kept it in refrigerator for few minutes. So see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.